idea.
Oh, caught my leg, bro. That was awesome.
What the hell are those things?
On my leg.
Sparklers?
Look at the hair on my leg.
What hair?
Dude, not cool.
Dude, that's awesome, man.
Yeah, well,
We totally need Alex here.
You went and got more?
watch the
These are
fucking hair on
cool.
your leg, boy.
That
got me good.
Your leg.
I
We
just
need
got
Alex here. We need a freaking video camera for Steph.
I have a video camera.
Ow.
Caitlin,
We need
video.
Steph
I'm getting away. Did you get the little rocket thing that was?
I need a pellet gun so I can shoot Joe.
Here, Brian, come here.
Break the hair off my
Hey,
leg.
it's hot. It was funny though.
It was good.
Ah,
I'm just gonna
don't worry, I'll stay with drop them
Please
all.
do not attempt this at
I want to
home.
know what this looks like.
Do not try this at home.
Why? It's more fun that way.
Ow.
Put
Here,
them
you can have
out,
those back.
Alex.
Ah.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
I put the fires out. You made them worse.
I want to know why that happened.
Oh crap! I got no shot.
That jet engine thing was really cool.
All I know is I got hit.
Go, Joe.
Hey, Justin, why did I let him go? Because they were going out the back of the box.
No, they actually shot out of his hand.
Hey,
That's
Someone-
It almost hit me.
someone get rid of that.
No.
Coming.
Ryan, I was holding it like this.
Really hot, really fast at him.
Not towards the screen.
Careful. I was holding it like this. When I let go of it, it shot faster. Bounced off me to you.
Joe!
Okay?
Yeah, that hurt.
Don't last that long. It shot.
That's cool. I've never seen sparklers shoot off.